Hello, this is Daniel Lipinski reporting from Channel 21 Geosci News. This week in our special report, we'll be looking at evolution. I'm not talking about Darwin's theory, I'm talking about the evolution of our Earth. Throughout the quick broadcast, I'm going to put Earth's history all in the school week's time, just to make it relative to our viewers. The Earth is about 5 billion years old, so each day of the week is going to be about 1 billion years. Don't worry, there are plenty of events to cover this span. Monday. It's about 4.5 to 4.7 billion years ago, and our planet is considered formed. There's almost nothing on the Earth but rocks and gases, making it a pretty dismal place. Luckily, the Earth formed right in the right place, right in the habitable zone, which will come in handy later in Earth's evolution because it gives us the right temperature and the right amount of UV rays for life to grow. As time passed and our atmosphere developed, about 4.2 billion years ago, the Earth was considered perfect for life. However, it took 400 million years for the first organic forms of carbon to form, metasediments in Greenland. Tuesday. Another 300 million years and organic compounds would be habituating in Western Australia. That was 3.5 billion years ago. At this time, stromatolites were popping up everywhere. Soon they would cover almost all the Earth, or all parts of the Earth. Stromatolites, though very primitive, are one of the most successful forms of life on our Earth. They've lasted through the climate changes, they've lasted through the mass extinctions, and they've lasted through predators, so they're a pretty strong form of life. Wednesday. As we trek forward in Earth's history, things start to get interesting. About 2 million years ago, oxygen, a vital part of life, began to rise, and it rose pretty fast. It's good for life forms that oxygen is rising because obviously they needed to live. Because there was more oxygen, however, there was less CO2, meaning that our greenhouse gases weren't keeping the Earth's temperature up. Our Earth became freezing and covered with glaciers. Thursday. Shortly after the rise in O2, mitochondria developed, the powerhouse of the cell. This is good news because it means multicellular life is on the rise. Parts of the cells are starting to come together, and even better for multicellular life, especially with plastids developing 1.5 billion years ago. After the plastids developed, then came the algal kingdoms. Friday, finally. The last billion years of Earth's life are now here. Virginia, a supercontinent, is just formed, however it only lasted for about 200 million years. During its breakup, it formed the Pacific Ocean because of all the rifting of the plate tectonics. The shallow seas also allowed for the water to warm, creating high biodiversity, which again is good for multicellular life. The warm climate didn't last long though. In 200 million years, the Earth will be covered again with glaciers, which was 600 million years ago from today. However, from the Cambrian on, multicellular life started to boom. In came shelly vertebrates, then fish. As fish evolved, the key feature evolved with them, jaws. Jawed fish then roamed the ocean 420 million years ago. The battle to evolve and to become the strongest was now important. It is now more important than ever. However, 250 million years ago, a mass extinction wiped out almost everything. Yes, this does seem bad, but did clear out ecospace for all new species to walk the planet. Mind you, in perspective, that there's only a few minutes away from present day, considering the scheme that we're talking about. As time ticked by and our school day comes to an end, mammals roamed the Earth, eventually giving rise to humans. We've been around just about as long as a second, probably even less. You know, you can't go throughout a whole school week without a test, so here's your question. What's next? The answer will be found next week on Special Report. And will someone please tell Al Gore that we're in ice house mode right now? Thank you and see you later.